Okay, we're gonna try something today. We're gonna see if we can make some ice cream with bare minimum ingredients. Now I don't know how well this is gonna turn out. But first we're gonna get these. I already have the strawberries frozen. I'm going to cut the bananas up. White banana. Put on some parsley bread. Okay. And we're going to freeze this for a little bit. This is not going to be a smoothie. It should be. It should turn out as good as expected. Lately, quite a bit of my stuff has been turning out better than expected, so we shall see. Putting it on this paper so they don't stick together. I want to do one banana. Yeah, we'll try with one banana. Don't want to waste too much stuff if it doesn't turn out correctly. I'll be back once this is frozen, and we'll go to the next step. We are going to try something. Let's see if this actually works. Where is my banana? Let's see. That's almost frozen. Okay, let's see. All right, so we got us some partially frozen bananas. Some frozen, oh my goodness, my brain is not working. Frozen strawberries. We're gonna blend this. Let's see. Is this thick enough? Oh yeah. Look at this. Delicious. Let's see what this tastes like. That's not bad. This is, I think should have left the bananas, and the bananas get a little bit colder. But this almost has the consistency of soft serve. That is nice. And the only thing this is consisted of was frozen strawberries and some bananas. Actually, this was 2 bananas. That is really freaking good. No additional sugar added. No milk, no cream. This is probably as close to soft serve you're going to get without actually. That is really freaking good. Right. So this is a strawberry, banana, almost soft serve ice cream. This is definitely far better and healthier than eating ice cream. Wow. Look at that. Look how thick that is. Wow. It gets better with everyone. So, again, this consists of strawberry and bananas. I'm going to take the rest of this and freeze it. And then I'm going to probably blend it down again. But this is absolutely delicious. I will probably have that for a snack later on. It's all natural sugars. So, we're good. Until next time. Eat healthy and stay around.